Welcome to the tutorial on Ornith 1.0, an open-weight model specialized for agentic coding. This video will guide you through setting up these powerful models, which are capable of writing their own execution harnesses. Ornith redefines the state-of-the-art by using self-scaffolding training. Unlike standard models, it generates both a solution and its own execution harness in a single loop, using GRPO Reinforcement Learning to improve memory and multi-file navigation. As you can see, the 35BMO variant of Ornith consistently outperforms proprietary giants like GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet on the SWE-Bench Verified benchmark, reaching a 75.6% resolve rate. Before starting, verify your system requirements. Open your terminal and run NVIDIA SMI to confirm you have enough VRAM. You will need at least 24 GB for the 35B model and 16 GB of system RAM for the 9B variant. Next, install your serving runtime. Visit Ollama.com, download the installer for your system, and complete the setup wizard. Once finished, verify the installation by typing Ollama version in your terminal. Now, pull the Ornith weights. Clear your terminal screen, then run Ollama pull Ornith 35B. Monitor the download speed and wait for the checksum validation to complete. You'll need about 22 GB of disk space. Verify your local API endpoint by starting the Ollama service. Run curl http://localhost port 11434 in your terminal to ensure it is running correctly. Note the port and perform a quick test using the list command. The Ornith self-scaffolding logic follows a specific flow. It takes natural language input, writes an execution plan, generates a tool wrapper, solves the task, and includes reasoning in its output. Now set up your project environment. Open VS Code, create a folder named Ornith Agent, and initialize a virtual environment using, Python-mvenvenv. Don't forget to activate it before installing the OpenAI library. Define your configuration by creating a config.yaml file. Set the model to Ornith 35B. Point the base _ URL to localhost and define your maximum iterations. Save the file with Ctrl+S. In your main.py file, import the OpenAI client. Set your API key to Ollama, point the client to your localhost port, and initialize the object. Running locally ensures your data stays private. To trigger the reasoning loop, add a messages array and include your system prompt. Explicitly ask for a plan and code, use the think tag in your prompt, and set stream to true. Finally, run your first task. Switch to the terminal, execute python main.py, and watch the thought flow. You should see the model generate tools. Once finished, verify the results in your output directory. To inspect the results, open your workspace folder and find harness_gen.py. Here, you can check the retry logic and verify the memory store to see how the model automatically handles errors. You have now completed the basics of the Ornith 1.0 workflow. In the next sections of this video series, we will explore advanced topics like Docker integration and multi-agent coordination. If you encounter errors, start by observing the CUDA out-of-memory logs. To resolve this, you can reduce your context window, enable 8-bit quantization, close unnecessary background applications, or restart the Ollama service. For large context reasoning, consider using KV cache offloading. If the model produces hallucinations, identify if it is using a fake library. Update your system prompt to include RAG context, rerun your agent script, and always validate your imports. You can also give Ornith access to your documentation for more accurate tool use. For automated pull request reviews, push your code to GitHub and trigger your CI/CD workflow. Watch Ornith's comments on the pull request, check its suggested fixes, and merge the request once satisfied. Ornith is significantly faster than humans at catching trivial logic bugs. Ornith 1.0 comes in 3 sizes. The 9B dense model is perfect for fast tasks on edge devices. The 35B-Mo is the sweet spot for 24 GB VRAM users, while the 397B-Mo offers frontier-class performance for large-scale repository engineering. Ready to build your own nest? Start coding with Ornith 1.0 today. You can find the project repository on GitHub and read our full white paper at our website. Thanks for watching the tutorial.